ever try to drop it in and she just slips right out? Well, this stage 2 clutch claims faster shifts, better grip, and race car performance, all for under 300 bucks. So today I'm tossing it on the Civic to see if it's worth it or if it's just another budget fail. Let's open this up, see what we got. Hey, lots of, oh wow, it's not even wrapped up. Oh my gosh, eBay. Okay, let's get it together, eBay. What are we just wrapping it in brown paper bag? What did I expect from eBay? So let's just take it all out. This is the clutch right here. Then we got our pressure plate. Oh, okay, so we got red for the pressure plate. That's gonna look cool, even though we won't be able to see it. Pretty sure we got the throwout bearing right here. We got another bearing. Ooh, it even comes with an alignment tool. For the big surprise, oh, the flywheel. It's supposed to be lightweight, but it feels pretty heavy. Honestly, guys, for only under 300 bucks, it comes with a lot of stuff. So let's get this car in the garage and get to taking the old one off. Let's pop this hood open. Still rocking the plier setup. And we're actually gonna take the hood off for this. It'll be a lot easier. We'll have much more room to work with. That bolt wasn't in there, right? And since we're touching electrical stuff, the first thing we're gonna take off is the battery. This is probably gonna be the easiest part of this whole job. Whoa, all right. Take the terminals off, give it a little shake and jake. All right, terminals out. And after the battery's out, now we gotta take this hot air intake out. Now y'all don't like the short ramp. Might be upgrading that soon. We got our flathead and we just gotta take these clamps off. Both clamps are loosened. Pull this right out from there. This hose off. Oh fuck, I forgot a bolt. That out real quick. Time for this to come out. You can just throw it. Now it's time to start unplugging wires. Okay, so I'm already having trouble on the connectors and this is only the first one. Oh yeah, I pulled the first one out. I haven't done a clutch before, as you could probably tell, but I'm pretty confident in myself, even though I am really just winging it, but it should turn out good. I know y'all might not think that's true, considering I'm having trouble with the connectors. Oh, there we go. Second connector out, plenty more to go. I'm gonna work on getting this starter off as well. Oh shit. So the big one wasn't working, so we switched to the little small one. I don't mind the small one, so I can work with it.
Get the fucking starter out, you think you're gonna clutch out?
Oh shit. Oh, parts are falling apart. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh, it's stuck. Fuck. Fuck. Okay, yeah, don't take your starter out like me, or parts will fall apart and you won't know how to put it back together. Looks like it's it. It's also this ground I missed over here near where the starter was. My nut got stuck. Now it's time to work on the clutch slave cylinder. I think these just look like 210s. There's also this bracket that holds it on. All right, just throw that up there. That one was on there good. All right, pop this back up there. And I know when y'all hear, oh, clutch, you gotta do a clutch, pull the transmission off, you might think it's hard, but honestly, on a car like this, especially a Honda, it's really not that hard. So let's just pull this up, as long as nothing's in my way. Something fell out. Look at all that oil buildup there. That's how you know there's going to leak oil. Next step is these shift linkages right here. One right here, and then one right here. And then it's also being held on by a bracket back here. Oh, I'm pushing. Honestly, guys, I recommend just getting new cotter pins. You know what they say, if it's hard to get it out, it's hard to get it in. Oh, it's out. Yeah, there we go. That's one more down to go. There we go. Yeah, before I pull these off, I'm gonna take the bracket bolts off. I'm gonna have to double up on the extension here. 6 not long enough. We need 2 6s. You know what that equals? 12. Ooh, 12's got a little curve to it. Whoa, that can't be good. We're gonna use a ratchet instead. Oh shit. Oh, all right, broke it loose. Yeah, you really just gotta know when to use the ratchet, when to use the impact. One out, 2 more to go. Looks like I didn't take all the connectors off I needed to. There we go. Oh shit. Seems like every time I break a bolt loose on this car, it just makes like a snapping sound.
Just like when I broke your back.
Guys, it's not true. No, it didn't happen. Fuck, my back hurts. Oh wait, that's a crazy follow-up. I'm always scared like I'm gonna break the bolt loose and my hand's gonna go like flying with some shit cut. Oh, I was about right. All right, so that bracket bolts are out though, so we're just gonna pop it off. Now I think I'm gonna grab a bungee cord and just like probably hang it up right here. Got our bungee cord. There we go. Now it's time to jack the car up and drain the transmission fluid. All right, we got our catch pan or whatever you call it, some shit like that. Oh shit, oh that hurt. Oh wait, I cracked it loose. I don't even know how we're actually gonna fill this back up with fluid once we get to that point. Oh shit, almost missed the pan right there. I misjudged. Hands are a little wet with tranny fluid, but that's no problem. I don't mind. Get my hands all wet with tranny fluid. Now while that's draining, we're gonna go ahead and pop these axles off. Get this real long cotter pin out. I don't mind if it's long though. All right, cotter pin's out. Oh wow. Yep, that's out. That's actually the quickest I got one of these ball joints out. Oh shit.
That's definitely from not getting it up all the way.
Shit, well I got it off. Yeah, it's broken, so we're gonna need a new one of this. We got a pro mechanic in the house. Look at that. And boom. Rip it up. Oh shit. Other axle out. This is like my piece. This is like the BMW pieces. I'm gonna take off these 2 bottom transmission brackets and the slide cover. Oh shit, that came out easy. 2 out. that don't sound good. Tool for that one, I guess. There we go. I won't give us a little fight, just use a hand tool to crack it loose. All right, one out. All right, and the second one out. Oh, there we go, cracked it loose. Here's the cover. Shit's covered in oil. I don't think there's a single place I'm not leaking oil from. Pop this front one off first. Okay, that was not on there tight enough, clearly, for a fucking motor mount. One bolt out. There we go. Second bolt finally out. I just throw shit in piles and hope I'm able to find it once I put it back together. All right, this one's giving us some trouble, so we're gonna use our real long pipe. Long pipe always solves all. Yeah, I knew the long pipe was gonna work. Second bolt out. All right, third bolt out. Last one's coming out now. All right, and last one out. I just dropped a fucking wrench on my fucking lip. Now that's swelling up. And there's 4 bell housing bolts. Yeah. Now we just gotta pry this transmission apart and pull it into the wheel well. You ready? 3, 2, 1. All right. Yeah, fuck, you're good. Grab the jack, grab the jack. Finally got it pulled away from the engine. Now we just gotta pop these pressure plate bolts off. All right, one out. Yeah, you wanna crack them all loose before you pull them out. I wanna just pull them out one by one. Go, second one out. All right, here goes third one. All right, fourth one out, almost out. A couple more spins. These fuckers are hard to get out. Fifth one out, one more to go. Last one's giving us a little bit of a fight. I don't mind a fight. Last one out, time to pull this pressure plate off. Hopefully we got enough room. We don't really have a ton of room in between the transmission and the pressure plate. Oh shit, the transmission's moving. I gotta do a little from loose.
Transmission's in the floor.
Oh fuck! Oh shit!
Floor, nigga.
Oh shit! Wait, oh you're dead ass.
Dickhead, you think I'm joking? Fucking idiot. Fucking dickhead.
Bright side, guys, we did get the pressure plate out and we did get the old clutch out, and holy shit, this thing is glazed. Yeah, this thing's toast. Shit looked like it'd never been replaced before. So I finally got the flywheel out, and I wasn't able to get it on camera because it took about 3 people and nobody could hold the camera, but it's finally out, and obviously this is just as messed up as everything else. Now it's time to get the new stuff in there and start putting everything back together. We got our new one right here in this bag. Y'all can see how it's not glazed or anything or got hot spots or anything on it. There is some residue on here that prevents rust, so we gotta spray it with some brake cleaner real quick.
You can tell the shop didn't pay for that brake clean.
If you buy your own brake cleaner, don't just be spraying that shit. Doesn't even look like that shit's coming off. I don't want to put it in a hole and the pin's not lined up. All right, and then up more. Got it lined up and all the bolts flush. Now I just got to torque them to 76 foot-pounds. Next, we got to put our pressure plate and clutch in. Also gonna spray this down because it also has residue on it. We also got an alignment tool too, help us guide it in. I usually don't need help guiding it in, but we'll follow the rules.
Drop that transmission.
Oh, whoa, whoa! Grip the tranny harder.
My hand.
All right, how many left?
4.
What?
No, I'm going over them to make sure they're all done. I'm a bolt rolling around in your transmission.
You know what we gotta do now? We gotta literally put the transmission into the engine. That has taken somebody up like 4 to 6 hours. Don't.
No, bro.
No, it's not. Wait, no, we almost got it. That has to go up.
It was too high.
Took lots of jamming and lots of arguing, but we finally got that transmission in there, so now it's time to put all the other parts together and get this thing out of here. All right, that one in. And for the last part, and definitely my favorite part, we're gonna fill it with some tranny fluid. Just gotta hook up our pump straight out the package. Oh shit, I forgot to put the fucking drain plug on. Let's actually pop this on real quick. All right, there we go. This tranny only takes about 1.5 inches. I meant ports. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, now it's going through. Oh shit, this is actually pretty cool. I don't know if the pump is dick or if I just don't know how to fucking use it. All right, first bottle in, time for the second one. All right, almost tight. Let's hope we don't snap this bolt in our transmission, take everything back apart. Now it's time to put these wheels back on and drop this thing down. Or well, at least that's what I thought. But I test drove it for a few minutes, went to go grab the camera to film it, and now the car's not working. The car starts, no problem. There's a really loud like rattle or like grinding noise. When I press the clutch in, it goes away, which you know usually leads to saying throttle bearing, but we replaced the throttle bearing. Maybe that was in there wrong. Then the car goes into gear as well, and it just revs. No power to the wheels, it's not moving forward. The grinding noise gets louder the higher gear you go in. So let me know if you have any ideas, guys, why my car stopped moving or driving forward, but it was for a few minutes. I guess the clutch wasn't easy after all.